this flying Canuck here, and we're going to take the Reaper for the fly. There's hardly any wind here, and the last time I had it out, it was a little windy, so we're going to check it out. Here we go. It's all bound there. Get her going. See which way I'm going to go with the wind. See what happens here. Go with the wind first, and we'll try and take it around back into it. The opposite. There she goes. Let her stabilize out there. Put her in here so you can see it. Down a bit. Back over here. She is coming in. Slow her down a little bit. Here we go. Look at that, eh? She does amazing, man. I love this little plane. XK A110. Here I am going up. Give it some guts now. Let it stabilize. Just take your hands off. Kick it this way. Down. Down that way. Then kick over here. And then we'll just bring her down here a little bit. Try and bring her by me. There we go. I do that with my XK X520. But this little baby seems to be able to handle it too. We'll try it again. Go down and up. Look at that. Wow. It's pretty cool. Bring it over to me here. Look at that, eh? Pretty sweet. So slow it down now. We'll try it slower. Bring her up. I'll give her more gas. So there's a little bit of wind here. There's about, I'd say 4 kilometers or 7 kilometer wind. And it cuts back into it pretty good. But you got to give it right the rev when you want to go back into it. And once you get her going, just slow down. Here we go. All you have to do is push up here, push down here on your aileron to get her to turn this way. I'm going to try and keep her in the wind there. Oh, gonna have to give her some gas. Take her straight up and then turn her that way into the wind. Go slow. Gotta hit it right on. Ah, it's cutting over it. The winds are really weird here. There's a lot on the ground and then nothing up top, but we're supposed to have a storm later, so as you can see here, now it's pretty cool. Okay, try and slow it down there now. Here we go. Bring her over, give her some gas, bring her down towards me, and then up. Look at that. It's just sweet. Again, this is a cheap little airplane, man. A cheap little airplane. It's got stabilization mode. It's got acro. Like, I'm going to try and take it up. Never done that with this one. And we're going to try and go up. Look at that. Over the flip. There you go. Did a little acro. Nice little plane. And we'll let it go down a bit. Who said these little planes aren't good, eh? They're awesome. Now we got her stuck in the wind there. See that? For a little more power. I'm gonna have to bring her down soon because it's only a 3.7 volt. But apparently you can get 10 minutes on it or more. Okay, so I'll bring her down here. Put her around here like this. A little gas. Look at that, eh? I'll bring her down in here. Right past us. Got off the throttle and up. Up right there. Pretty good landing. We'll take it back up for a little bit more, but I've been really gunning it, like you saw. Did some flips. You can see the way the wind's hitting it here. Look, I'm holding it. Look at that. Hold on. Yeah, now it's not doing it. Oh, there we go. So it's just a slight wind. I figure it's about 7 kilometers an hour. You hear the motors there. You cannot move this either way. You just go up and down, and your aileron you can move left, right. Okay, so I guess we'll start off into the wind this time. There, come back around. Slow her down so you can see her here. Give her a little bit of a kick. Bring it back around to me. And slow her down. Oh, caught the wind there. There we go, that's pretty nice. Catching the wind. Look at that, eh? Catching the wind there as it comes down. Give it some gas. Okay, we'll give it some gas again. Go down like that. Yeah, I can tell the battery's going down because I'm not able to get that. So we'll go down like that and then up. Yeah, battery's going down a bit. Here we go. Yeah, look at that, eh? Bring her down. Put it over here. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. There we go. Yeah, I think I can hear the motor going down a bit, so we'll bring her in for a little bit of landing. And bring her in nicely here. The motor off and just float her in. Nice. Beautiful. Well, that was the A110. And for the price point you're paying for this, I'll put the link down below. But you'll see it's worth the money. Okay, so that's JDS Flying Canuck for the Reaper. Okay, they have another one that's like this called the Predator, and it's a tougher foam, but I like this one better. It flies a lot better, so if you're going to spend your money, spend it on the Reaper, and it's going to cost you less. Anyways, that's JDS Flying Canuck. Over and out. Hope you enjoyed that. Fly safe. Hello. Looks like I finished just in time. You'd be thinking it's a bone. Yeah, I said it looks like I finished just in time. You'd be thinking it's a bone. Hello. I've had them run away with my drones and everything.
Is that right?
Yeah. And the owner calls them back. They're usually
be afraid of it.
the noise, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, some of them are.
Yeah.
The little dogs are. I got a buddy who's got a small dog. He comes out here all the time. He's usually afraid of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good day.